about the traditional sustainability audit. For decades, it's been a look in the rearview mirror, a once-a-year scramble through endless spreadsheets, ending with a sigh of relief as the final box is ticked. It's a model built for the 1990s, fundamentally unequipped for the dynamic challenges we face today. This backward-looking exercise is now being replaced by a forward-looking vision: trusted assurance. This represents a fundamental shift. It replaces that old audit model with AI-enabled continuous monitoring. Assurance is no longer an annual event, but a constant, living process. Picture you and your assurance providers collaborating, not over email chains, but together on a live platform of sustainability data. The dusty spreadsheets and last-minute report drafting are gone. This system moves beyond just crunching carbon numbers. It provides a truly value-added service that reviews both the quantitative data and the qualitative story, the words that give the numbers their crucial meaning. This transforms the relationship. Your provider is no longer a once-a-year reviewer, but an independent assurance partner, invested in your journey. The ultimate goal here is a profound one: building trust, real trust. The kind of trust that allows a company to be vulnerable, to openly report on areas where it needs to improve. In this environment, stakeholders don't exploit that vulnerability. They see it as a badge of honor, a sign of true transparency. They work with the company to help it improve its impact on the planet and its people. This collaborative spirit, built on a foundation of verifiable, continuous data, is the core of it all. It's the difference between an inspection and a partnership. It is value-added assurance, designed for progress, not just a backward-looking stamp of approval.